a curious psychology experiment. The Bobo Doll was conducted by Dr. Albert Bandura in 1961. This study played a very important role in the development of the social learning theory, which provides insights into how children learn and imitate behaviors, with interesting conclusions in the end. Bandura and his colleagues conducted the experiment at Stanford University to investigate whether social behaviors, such as aggression, could be learned and acquired by observation and imitation or copying. The participants were 72 children, 36 boys and 36 girls, aged between 3 and 6 years old. The children were divided into 3 groups. Group 1. Aggressive model group. In this group, each child watched an adult person behave aggressively toward a Bobo doll, a large inflatable toy. The adult hit, kicked, and verbally abused the doll. Group 2. Non-aggressive model group. Each child observed an adult person playing calmly and non-aggressively with various toys, ignoring the Bobo doll. Group 3. The control group. The children in this group were not exposed to any model, neither aggressive or non-aggressive. After watching the adult, the children were then placed in a room filled with toys, including a Bobo doll, and their behavior was watched. The key interest was to see whether the children would copy the aggressive or non-aggressive behavior that they watched. Bandura and his team noted the number of times and nature of the aggressive acts the children showed toward the Bobo doll and other toys. The results were striking. The aggressive model group. The children who observed the aggressive model were significantly more likely to act aggressively toward the Bobo doll, often mimicking the exact behaviors they had seen. They punched, kicked, and verbally attacked the doll, using phrases like those used by the adult person. Non-aggressive model group. These children showed much less aggression toward the Bobo doll and were more likely to engage in other non-aggressive play. The study also found that boys were generally more aggressive than girls, and both boys and girls were more likely to imitate or copy a person from their same gender. The Bobo doll experiment showed that children can learn and imitate behaviors simply by watching others, without any direct reward or punishment. This challenged the dominant behaviorist view at the time, which stated that learning occurred mainly through reward or reinforcement. As a result of this experiment, Bandura developed the social learning theory, which says that people learn new behaviors through observation, imitation, and modeling. This theory emphasizes the role of mental processes in learning and has had a big influence in understanding human behavior. The insights gained from the Bobo doll experiment have important implications for raising a child. Since children learn by observing and imitating adults and peers, it's crucial for parents, caregivers, and educators to model positive behaviors, such as empathy, cooperation, and problem-solving skills. By understanding that children are careful observers who internalize the actions and attitudes of those around them, we can take proactive steps to nurture well-rounded, emotionally intelligent human beings.